Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change email address in Webtoon. If you need to update your email address for your Webtoon account, maybe because you no longer use the old email or for security reasons, you can easily do it in the app or website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it on your app. Launch open the Webtoon application on your device and log in. From the home page of Webtoon, tap on the My button at the bottom right corner, and from the My Series tab, go to the top right section and tap the three dots. Now, this will open up the More menu. Tap on Settings from the More menu, and after you open up Settings, click on your email address at the top. Now click the Change Email Address button and enter your password for your Webtoon account first in the password box to verify. In the next field, enter the new email address you want to change to, and finally click on Change Email Address. Now, you'll need to check your email and select the link provided to verify your address. Open up your email service provider's inbox and then click Open Email from Webtoon. Now click on Verify Your Email, and you have successfully verified your email address on Webtoon. Next time you log in, make sure to enter the newly updated email and the password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.